As amateur drone enthusiast Landon sent his drone soaring over a remote forest, he expected nothing more than breathtaking scenery, but what he captured instead made his heart pound. As the camera panned across the dense wilderness, it recorded something shocking, something that was never meant to be seen. Reviewing the footage, Landon's mind swirled with questions. He had uncovered a secret one that could change everything. Landon's heart pounded as he stared at the screen in his hands. Was he really seeing this? What on earth was that place? Before we start, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any new stories. Letting his drone hover for a few minutes, he captured as many shots as possible before carefully lowering it, hoping to get a closer look. But as the drone descended, the image on his screen began to blur, flickering and distorting until, without warning, it went completely black. Frustrated, he let out a heavy sigh and sank to the ground. How does a perfectly fine drone suddenly shut down like that? His gut told him it had everything to do with what he had just seen. It had to. There was only one thing left to do. He had to go find his drone. Landon smacked his palm against the screen, hoping to jolt it back to life, but nothing worked. His drone had crashed out of nowhere. Without hesitating, Landon jumped into his Jeep, gripping the wheel with determination. As he navigated the rugged terrain, the ride grew bumpier, with jagged rocks jutting from the earth and dense trees closing in around him. His pulse quickened when, out of the corner of his eye, he spotted a clearing. Never in a million years had he expected to stumble upon something like this in the middle of a remote forest. What he had mistaken for strange stone formations through his drone's camera was, in reality, something far more bizarre. Hundreds of abandoned trucks, eerily silent, and left to decay. As he stepped out of his Jeep and walked into the clearing, his eyes widened in amazement. There was no road in sight, and the rough terrain made it nearly impossible for such massive vehicles to have been driven in. Pausing, he looked closer. Every single truck was locked shut, with thick metal chains. As Landon cautiously stepped into the eerie maze of abandoned trucks, scanning for his drone, a nagging question gnawed at him: how had they gotten here? A shiver ran down Landon's spine as he took in the unsettling sight. Then, out of the corner of his eye, he spotted his drone. Without hesitation, he ran toward it, scooping it up from the ground. His heart sank. The camera was shattered, and deep scratches covered its surface. He had only bought it 3 months ago, and now it was wrecked. But as much as that stung, a far bigger question loomed in his mind. What exactly had his drone captured that someone didn't want him to see? Something was sealed away inside those trucks, and whoever put it there had gone to great lengths to ensure no one would ever find it, or so they thought. Landon brushed the dirt off his drone and placed it in his Jeep. He could turn back now, but something kept him there. His gaze returned to the chained trucks as questions filled his mind. What could be inside? Why hide them so carefully? This wasn't just a junkyard. It was a graveyard of trucks, rusted and abandoned. The realization made his heart race. If he could cut through the chains, he might uncover the truth. Unease crept in, but curiosity was stronger. He checked his Jeep, hoping for bolt cutters, but the back was empty. He remembered using the bolt cutters recently, and after searching his garage, he finally found them. Tomorrow, he would come back. The next morning, he woke energized. He packed gloves, a mask, and his tools. If he had known what awaited him, he would have never returned. The Jeep rumbled along the rough path. Then the truck graveyard appeared, rows of rusted vehicles swallowed by time. Landon stepped out, gripping the bolt cutters. The nearest truck loomed ahead. He reached the first truck and paused. A government insignia marked its surface. He opened the door, the metal groaning as stale air rushed out. Inside were wooden crates coated in dust. As he moved from truck to truck, a pattern emerged. These weren't ordinary vehicles. Their interiors were reinforced, sealed, and carefully designed. A chill ran through him. What had been stored here? Why hide it so deeply? Landon could almost sense the meticulous planning that once took place here, every modification a clue to a concealed purpose. The deeper he ventured, the stronger the pull of the unknown, urging him to piece together a mystery long buried in rust and time. The trucks stood like ghostly sentinels of a forgotten operation, their reinforced structures whispering of urgency and secrecy. With a deep breath, Landon reached into a hidden compartment and brushed against something solid. Unlatching it, he revealed neatly stacked documents, aged, fragile, and enigmatic. Maps, coded messages, and official seals stared back at him. This was no ordinary cargo. These trucks had carried secrets meant to stay buried. He carefully pulled out a dust-covered metal box, heavy with the promise of importance. As he sifted through the brittle pages, Diagrams of unknown machinery, coordinates to unmarked locations, and signatures of long-forgotten officials painted a picture of a hidden world just beyond reach. Each page hinted at something momentous, deliberately erased from history. The documents suggested an operation cloaked in secrecy, buried beneath cryptic symbols and classified stamps. Landon pieced together the clues, each faded mark a breadcrumb leading deeper into a shadowy conspiracy. Whatever these trucks had once carried, it was meant to be forgotten, but now he had unearthed the first thread of a story that refused to stay hidden. Patterns emerged: covert transfers, restricted sites, coded authorizations. The implications sent shivers down his spine. This was no abandoned transport site, it was a graveyard of classified operations, a secret history watching him from the shadows. Mentions of government agencies, their names obscured, made the reality undeniable. These rusted shells were evidence of a carefully executed cover-up. Standing among the silent giants, Landon felt the enormity of his discovery. The trucks, the documents, the hidden compartments, they were fragments of a larger puzzle, too intricate to unravel at once. The full picture remained just out of reach, but it was clear. This was a deliberate burial of something important or dangerous. The forest pressed in around him, amplifying the weight of his discovery. He was now the sole keeper of a buried truth, a puzzle no one else had dared to touch. The unknown called to him, promising answers yet laced with unseen risk. Shadows shifted, the forest's silence turning almost sentient. Every rustling leaf, every snapping twig raised the tension. He was not alone. A sharp noise shattered the quiet. Adrenaline surged. Instinct took over, clutching the documents. Landon sprinted toward his jeep. The forest twisted into a disorienting maze. Branches lashed, roots tripped him, but he refused to slow. He barreled through the underbrush, fleeing the unseen presence that had made itself known. At last, he stumbled onto his porch. Chest heaving, the warm glow of home contrasted with the menacing forest, yet the unease lingered. Inside, he steadied his breath but not his resolve. The danger of the forest only deepened his determination to uncover the truth. Whatever lay hidden in the truck graveyard, it wasn't meant to be found, but that made Landon even more certain. He pored over the documents, tracing connections between the hidden trucks and long-forgotten operations. Back in the safety of his home, research became obsession. He scoured military records, declassified files, and Cold War-era documents, slowly teasing the past into revealing its secrets. Though the information was fragmented, the implications were undeniable. These trucks were part of a long-concealed agenda, possibly linked to covert military operations, hidden for decades. Each clue pulled him further into a web of secrecy, confirming that he had stumbled upon something monumental. Landon's pulse quickened as he realized the truth. He had not just discovered abandoned vehicles, but the remnants of a hidden world, its purpose deliberately erased, its legacy buried in rust and secrecy. And now he held the key to uncovering it all. Determined to dig deeper, Landon contacted a retired military officer rumored to know about classified Cold War operations. Carefully drafting his message, he hoped the veteran could shed light on the truck's origins. To his surprise, the officer responded cryptically but receptively, hinting at deep knowledge of secret operations. This meeting could be the breakthrough Landon needed to unravel the truck's mystery. Seated in a quiet cafe, the officer spoke in hushed tones, revealing fragments of a classified disposal operation buried beneath layers of secrecy. Though cautious, he confirmed the trucks were part of a complex, clandestine mission. A chill ran through Landon as the conversation hinted at hazardous materials suddenly. The reinforced linings and airtight seals made sense. These trucks were not mere transport vehicles. They carried something far more perilous. Armed with this knowledge, Landon returned to the truck graveyard with renewed determination. While exploring, he noticed a disturbed patch of ground and uncovered a buried container. Prying it open, he revealed several barrels marked with radioactive symbols. The site's true purpose, a secret disposal operation for hazardous materials, became chillingly clear. The weight of responsibility pressed down on him. These trucks and the hidden container were remnants of a covert operation, a dark chapter of history now resting in his hands. He understood that exposing the truth carried consequences, but it was necessary. Back home, Landon organized his evidence: photographs of the trucks and barrels, cryptic documents, and notes from his meeting. He contacted an environmental journalist known for exposing hidden scandals, carefully outlining the scope of his discovery. In the days that followed, Landon prepared the exposé meticulously. Once released, the story would expose a long-buried secret, ignite public outcry, and demand accountability. When the article finally went live, shockwaves rippled through the nation. The government scrambled to respond, launching investigations into the covert operation. Experts swarmed the truck graveyard, uncovering more evidence and reconstructing its hidden history. As the layers of secrecy unraveled, the full extent of the disposal operation emerged, revealing a complex web of decisions and concealed dangers. Landon reflected on his journey from a casual drone flight to unearthing a major scandal. What began as curiosity had transformed him into a relentless seeker of truth, proving the power of persistence and observation. Landon recognized the profound impact of his determination, exposing a hidden chapter of history, influencing public awareness, and holding authorities accountable. Inspired, he turned his focus to environmental advocacy, using his drone as a tool for documenting and exposing ecological threats. No longer merely an observer, he had become a guardian of truth, committed to uncovering and revealing hidden realities.